Hello, Miss. My name is Sapta Siregar from class K321M in R with NIM number 112111630. Here, I will make a video or present a video about my future business plans to fulfill and of semester evaluation assignment. Okay, next introduction. For the first, background business. Sport business SDS Sport is a business founded with a passion for promoting a healthy and active lifestyle, becoming a center for sport lovers from various backgrounds, with a primary focus on innovation, sustainability, and community empowerment. Our business established its identity as a leader in the world of sport. As a provider of holistic solutions for sport needs, my business offers a variety of products and services covering a wide range of disciplines, from sport equipment to specialist training programs. Sustainability is one of the main pillars of my business, and I am committed to reducing my environmental impact through various eco-friendly initiatives. Additionally, I am active in supporting local and global sport communities through talent development programs, sporting events, and sponsorship of sporting events. My business seeks to motivate people to live healthy lives and participate in physical activities by upholding values such as integrity, teamwork, and healthy competitive spirit. I built a community unit in the love of sport. For second, vision and mission business. My vision to be a global leader in motivating and facilitating people to adopt healthy and active lifestyle through innovative and sustainable sport product, service, and experience. And next mission, first, continuous innovation. Design and develop leading-edge product and service that utilize the latest technology to extend to sporting experience and motivate individuals to reach their full potential. And second, community involvement. Building strong and empowered communities, supporting positive exchange between sport fans, and providing a platform for mutual growth and learning. Third, environmental sustainable. Take responsibility for the environment by reducing carbon impact, using environmentally friendly materials, and ensuring sustainable production practices. Fourth, athlete improvement, providing support and research to athletes at various levels, from talent development to peak performance to advance the world of sport as a whole. Fifth, education and knowledge, providing an educational platform to increase public understanding of the health benefits of exercise, effective exercise technique, and healthy lifestyle in general. 6. Strategic partnership. Build sustainable partnership with brand, organizations, and individuals who share the same vision to strengthen the company's positive impact in driving change towards healthy lifestyles. And last, superior customer service. Ensure customer satisfaction by providing superior, responsive, and friendly customer service, and continuously training to understand and meet customer need experience. Okay, next market analysis. For the first market segment, sport business market segment can involve different types of customer and segment that have different needs and preferences. Here are some market segments that are generally associated with a sport business. Market segment: first, amateur sport lovers; second, professional and semi-professional athletes; third, support club and organization; fourth, health and fitness industry; fifth, sport education; six, companies and business teams; and seven, health-oriented customer market. Second, competitor analysis. The sport business industry is highly competitive with many major players competing for market share. Competition is increasing as the popularity of healthy lifestyle and fitness grows. Third, industry trends. The sport product industry is experiencing a significant transformation as customer needs and preference change. Okay, next, products and service. Main product. The main product of the sport product business include a variety of equipment, clothing, and accessories designed to support physical activity. Sport equipment such as technical running shoes, fitness, defeat, and training equipment are in focus, providing high performance and comfort. Sportwear with technical materials, ergonomic design, and fashionable looks also dominate the collection. Second, and competitive advantage. advantage. The competitive advantage in my sport product business lies in combination of product innovation, attractive design, and, all, and a focus of sustainability. Product continue to develop with the latest technology and innovate features to provide added value to customer looking for high performance. Okay, next, marketing strategy. For the first, social media marketing. Leveraging social media platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter to share engaging visual content, host quizzes, and interact directly with customers. Influencer marketing can also increase brand visibility. Second, video content. Create and share quality video content such as product review, workout tutorials, and support event coverage to increase customer engagement and build trust. Third, SEO, search engine optimization. Optimizing a website for better search ranking so that it's easier for potential customers to find when they search for sport product. Last, a commerce and online purchasing platform. Establishing or improve a presence on a e-commerce platform, ensure websites are responsive, and provide a seamless online purchasing experience. By engaging these digital marketing strategies, sport product business can reach customers effectively, build a strong brand presence, and increase sales through online channels. Next, operation plan. First, production. Sport product business production focus on efficiency and quality. And then distribution. Sport, sport product business distribution utilizes global and local network. Okay, next, income and expense projection strategies. Sport product business income expenditure projection for the next 3 years show positive growth, with increased focus on digital marketing strategies, product expansion, and product line diversification. Revenues are expected to increase significantly. Expenditures are the are direct at research and development, marketing, and distribution infrastructure. With efficiency cost management, it is hoped the net profit will increase in line with revenue growth. The projections are based on analysis of market trend, customer change, and market response to business initiative. Despite facing uncertainty, a mature strategy is expected to ensure business continuity and success within the specified time period. Okay, next, rates. Fluctuations in raw material price, intense competition. In the sport product business, the risk of raw material price fluctuation can affect profit margin due to the reliance on technical and innovative material. Intense competition from similar brands can reduce price and reduce market share. Fluctuations in fashion trends and change in customer preference are also risks, requiring rapid adaptation. Additionally, distribution and logistic challenges can hinder product availability. To overcome the risks and proactive risk management strategy and differentiation of raw materials such as well as focus on product differentiation and add value are crucial in maintaining the stability and growth of the sport business. Okay, last conclusions. In customer satisfaction is my top priority. I appreciate every bit of feedback and challenge because that's how I continue to grow and develop. Friendly and responsive customer service is an integral part of my identity. I want every customer to feel value and support every step of their supporting journey. Okay, maybe it's a video presentation about my business plan. For your attention, thank you.